Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're very honored to have this beautiful machine with us. It's a 1954 Ford Crestline, and this vehicle here was specially made for the Ford dealerships, so they could display it in their showroom. It's got the demonstrator hood on it, and also it has a glass top. It's a very, very rare unit. They were only owned by the Ford dealerships. But come on up, let's take a look around this. This is the new Y-block V8 Ford came out with in '54 with the overhead valves. It replaced the flathead V8 that was in the cars from 35 to 53, and that's why they came out with a demonstrator hood for this vehicle. So when people came in the showroom, they could actually see the motor through the top of the hood, and we'll show you a better video of that as well. Let's take a look around the car. This Skyliner's painted the Calypso Coral. It was a very popular paint in the 50s. All the chrome on this vehicle is in very good shape. And also, you can go to our website, VanguardMotorsales.com, and see pictures of the undercarriage. Real solid vehicle. Very, very rare. This would be awesome for any collections. The Crestline Skyliner is what they named it. Skyliner, I think, because of this glass hood up here. It's like a gigantic moonroof that covered half the car, which is very, very cool. Don't forget to join us on VanguardMotorsales.com and get our free report of buying a classic car online. It's the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a car online. And also join us on Facebook at facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. And this also has the Continental kit with the tire on the back as well, which is really cool. This car is really, really a looker. People just stop and look at it all the time. Inside the vehicle has a beautiful black and white interior. It's showing, I can't even read the mileage on this thing. It's so, let's see here. I think it's about 75,989 on the clock. And she runs like a top. A lot of carb work was done to it, brake work and stuff like that, very recently within the last year. Talk about rare. Wouldn't it be cool to show up in the show in one of these and be the only one there with a demonstrator Crestline Skyliner? How cool would that be? This thing, I mean, it's like driving a limo, and you can almost get a suntan through the glass top. It is unbelievable. What a rare beauty this is. Don't forget, you can always call Tom with any questions 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. Because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. What a gem this is. I mean, you go to car shows, you see the Camaros, the Chevelles, but how many times have you been there and saw a Skyliner with a demonstrator hood? Call Tom today. We can make it happen for you. 248 974-9513. This would be a great addition to anybody's collection. Thank you for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales. Stay tuned for the next pass.